Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up my Fidelity mobile app, only ways. Open the Fidelity mobile app, choose Sign In or Create Account, then follow on-screen prompts to verify identity. Use email or phone for verification, set a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and opt into biometrics for faster secure access. Keep recovery info updated and review permissions for the best experience. Start by confirming your identity clearly and calmly to avoid delays. Have your government ID and last four of your SSN ready, then enter the codes sent to your phone or email. Follow the selfie or live check prompts and make sure lighting is good for a quick match. If verification fails, retry carefully or contact support through the app for live assistance to proceed smoothly. After signing in, take 2 minutes to strengthen your security settings. Create a unique strong password, enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app or SMS, and activate fingerprint or face unlock if your device supports it. Review account alerts and notification settings so you receive real-time transaction updates. Finally, record recovery contacts and backup methods to avoid lockouts and keep your investments secure and accessible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.